I'm going to show you a little bit about the interface aspect in JumboLogic. In JumboLogic, you can create interfaces. You can design interfaces for a variety of things, mobile apps. You can design interfaces for web pages or whatnot. In this case, it's a web page called Webflix, and as you can see, it's a high fidelity interface. High fidelity because there's a lot of detail and images and colors. You have the option to design low fidelity interfaces. It's really up to you in terms of how much work and effort you want to put into it. As you can see, we have created a project here called Webflix. Here's the project structure and all the different pages. We have a hierarchical templating system where you can create a page, and you can create a template. I'm sorry, and that template. Any children under that template will have that template. As you can see, the home page has that template, right? We're going to create a page here under the child object, under the front end. We're going to call it example, right? Okay, and you'll notice that the template is now in place. To draw objects, you just click on draw mode. You will have a host of options here. We're just going to first draw a label. As you can see my label. Adjusting the settings is pretty easy. You've got a bunch of menu items on the left here. For instance, I can increase the font size to 24 pixels. I can change the font color to red. I can add a background if I want to, right? It's white background. I can change it to like a yellow background. I guess that kind of matches the Webflix colors. I can resize and move them around at will. I can duplicate, right? It's pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is we are going to create a basic form here. All right, this form will be the contact form. And what we're going to do is we are going to quickly assemble this form. So we're going to change the background color to black. Reduce this font size just a tad, smidgen, like 16 is good. So we have the name, we have email. We're probably going to need priority. We'll need subject, and we'll probably need message, right? So once you've set that up, we're going to add text boxes for the name, email, subject, right? And we will add a text area for the message, so they have a place to type. You can drag and select. It's pretty easy. I mean, it works the way you expect it to. For the priority, we're going to use a drop down. So just put a drop down there. It's pre-filled with 3 options. We're going to call them important, urgent, and normal. Right? And the default is obviously going to be normal. As you can see, you have a little drop down now. I'm also going to add a button. Let me see if I can find button here. Button. Right? And that will be our contact form. I should probably change this to be a little longer. And we have a contact form. There's a bunch of things you can do in this that are going to be pretty cool. For instance, you can also add widgets by going to interface widgets. For instance, I want to drop a calculator on here. I can, right? And so you actually also have complex widgets and objects you can put on there. I hope you have enjoyed this video.